In this video, we'll explore 25 everyday spices in English and Hindi. Lasun, garlic, long pepper, kali mirch, mulethi, licorice, curry leaves, curry patta, star anise, chakrafool, dry ginger, sonth, saffron, kesar, nigella seeds, kalonji, susme seeds. Ehl. Make, javitri, nutmeg, jaifal, asafoetida, hing, mustard seeds, sarson, carom seeds, ajwain, fenugreek, methi, fennel, soimf, bay leaf, tej patta, clove, long, cinnamon, dalchini, cardamom, ilaichi, red chili, lal mirch, black pepper, kali mirch, coriander, dhania, cumin, jeera, turmeric, haldi,